Well, Oliver, it's raining again. Yep, and all my snowbergs are going away, and my ice snacks. So, Daddy has crunchy ice. Yes, the snowbergs were fun to pee on. Well, Chappy, then what will we aim at now? That was so much fun! And, well, Chappy, you know, my Archie was higher than yours. Was not, Ollie. I am still top of the hierarchy. It was too, Chappy. I was higher last time. Well, I can't go out anyway. I just can't go outside, Ollie. Why can't you go outside, Chappy? Because I don't like wet. It makes my hair all frizzy and curly. But Chappy, rain also makes the mud fun to dig in. Yes, Oliver. And that means baths. Yep, baths. But fluff and dries are nice. Yes, I do like the hair dryer. And now my tummy hurts. Let's go outside and potty then. Oh, okay, Oliver. Let's go outside. Hey, dude, where'd you drop that ball?